Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free streaming services by using a new device promotion, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your benefits and enjoy premium content at no cost. Step 1. Research which streaming platforms offer new device promotions. Check manufacturers like Samsung, Apple, LG, and Roku for current offers that bundle free streaming subscriptions with device purchases. Step 2. Visit the official website of your chosen device manufacturer or authorized retailer to verify the promotion details, including eligible devices and streaming services included. Step 3. Purchase a qualifying device during the promotional period. Keep your receipt and any promotional codes provided at checkout. Step 4. Set up your new device following the manufacturer's instructions and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 5. Look for the promotional redemption instructions, typically found in the device packaging, welcome email, or manufacturer's website. Step 6. Navigate to the redemption portal using the provided link or QR code and enter your device serial number and purchase information. Step 7. Create or log into your account with the streaming service. Then apply the promotional code to activate your free subscription period. Step 8. Verify that your subscription shows as active in your account settings and note the expiration date of the promotional period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.